You think we should send it?
Yeah, let's send it.
Oh man, pretty sure you guys would be doing the same thing right now if you were driving that rip, driving this truck. Guys, what's up? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? Behind me is a 2015, a day late and a buck short. I've been driving this truck for so long that I totally forgot about getting it all pretty and detailed up, taking pictures and doing a video. We did a short, brief video about, what, 5 videos ago, 10 videos ago? And I've been so preoccupied with driving it and infatuated with the truck, enjoying it, that I neglected to do a video and share it with you guys. Thus, the reason we're here today. Boom! So with that said, this, my friends, a 2015 Ford F-250 LARIAT FX4, 6-inch rough country 4-link suspension kit, rough country dual steering stabilizers, 22 by 14 hostile wheels, mounted on a set of 37 1350 22 mud terrains. Aggressive as hell. Did we do any trimming? Nope. Did we need it? Probably not. But when you're going over a divot or a turn or a rut and you cock the wheel, it's probably going to rub a little bit. But it doesn't rub right now. Like I was saying, let's go to the front of this rig. This is like, when I look at these trucks, like I literally think of like big rigs, because just the gratitude, like the girthiness of the front grille with the huge Ford emblem, and they're just a beefy ass looking truck. They really are. It's like a Mack truck coming down the road. It's scary, and it's in aggressive, and it's in your face. As you can see, I heard at the beginning of the video, the truck's tuned, full exhaust, all done up, whole bunch of goodies. And with that said, let's go check it out. Underglow lights. It's got underglow lights in here. It has, let's see, check out the interior for a second. It's got a FASS, I think it's 165 or 195 lift pump. It's got exactly, we have 104,394 miles on it. SCT monitor, tune, backup camera, exhaust brake, heated seats, cooled seats, airplane, right in my video, sunroof. Look, boom, sunroof, wide open, right at you. Here, your phone shot. I want to read you guys off the list because there's a few other things going on, so I'll let Noah do that. Noah's the wheelman behind there today. It's got a fifth wheel, all brackets and gooseneck, whatever you want to throw in there. Let's see, Bluetooth LED rock lights, and there they are. Right, where'd they go? Oh, the front and the rear, actually. You can see them better front. Yeah, there they are. Mic tuning, whatever the hell that says. Rock lights, you can change the color of them. And the pitch and all the luminosity of how bright they are and dull they are. 5-inch full axle back exhaust system right here. It sounds nasty. Recon cab lights. And the best part of all about this truck, Recon cab lights and mirrors. Best part about this truck, and I'll look at it, I'll show in the description, I'll put the information for the here you go. Why am I holding the camera? I'm a jackwagon. But the information, it's got a Ford Performance transmission in it. Not remanufactured, but some upgraded internals. and she rolls. It's really nice. It's an awesome truck. I love it. Couldn't ask for a better truck. It's clean. The body's nice. 6.7 liter turbo diesel 4x4. Under the hood's a little dirty, but we'll pop the hood and show you guys what's going on. You got all the auxiliary switches right here. You can pop on, do whatever you got to do. Hook up light bars, whatever you want. The cool part I like about these 6.7, check this out. Clap my feet before you get in. Pop the little dash right there. It's like a secret compartment. You would never, ever, ever know it. And I love how they incorporate that into the dash, because you would never think it's like a useless dashboard with a lot of space. But I like how that's done. It's got your USB connections and your auxiliary ports and all that stuff. It's a pretty cool setup right there. Sliding glass rear window, sunroof. Lug keys that are labeled because I'm OCD as hell. Stock number and my name right on it. Long lug key because these are the spline looking ones. Original owner's manual and the original everything that's in here. There's the rock lighting right there. Boom, all the features that you can get. It's like cool. It's all the colors of the rainbow. All the colors of the rainbow, Lucky Charms. Oh, I got my finger stuck in me bum. All that stuff. So let's go check out the rest of the truck and under the hood, and I'm getting out of here. So up the hood, wash your hands. I got you. I was trying to do it one-handed, and he did it. So here, show him on that side. I can say the magical word, but there you go, and there you go. It's got some performance modifications up to it. Some performance modifications done to the truck. Cold air intake system, and there you have it. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Big shout out to each and every one of you. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. And if you're new to the channel, welcome with completely
Open arms.
open arms. There you go. Oh, I don't want to step on the bar, so I'll step on the toe hooks. Ready? Oi! This would be a bad way to get, what do you call it? Vandalized. Or no, what's that word I'm looking for? What's that word I'm looking for?
I forgot it too.
You forgot it too.
Yeah.
Guys, leave in the comments what the word we're looking for. Thank you.
When something goes up your butt.
Yeah. Vandalized. What's that word? I'm not gonna think of it all day. God. You know what I'm talking about, right?
Hey Siri.
Guys, in the comments, please put the word I'm looking for. Help a brother out. There's days like today. See you guys. I hope you guys are doing great. This is Mark signing out. Bye.